Teddy's Bar and Grill at the corner of North 8th and Berry is the oldest serving bar in Brooklyn, established in 1887. This street seat was one of the first ones to sign up and currently the only one in Brooklyn. However, we will be following that very shortly with the Brooklyn Tree. Two behind you here, our longest continuous street seat that we've put down so far. We installed this in less than 16 hours, start to finish. And when we installed this one, it was straight off the truck, put it together in the street before we started doing real roll-on delivery. So this unit here is made up of two 30-foot units. Each of those units seat somewhere between 20 and 24 people. And you'll see that we've done a custom signage with them here around the sides, engraved and hand painted in the wood paneling. This one's pretty standard out of the box, painted black, and it's got the clear corrugated plastic roof. Comes correct with our standard 25-year warranty on our flooring and our 10-year warranty on the outdoor dining system itself. Teddy's is really good to have trusted in us to not only design, build, and deliver, but to install and strike every year and do the offsite storage. If you notice in the middle of these two dining systems, we have a 4-foot gap. That allows the restaurant to have access for the people living above, for unloading, unloading, taxi drop-offs. And above that, you'll see that we have our two weatherheads and our electrical system tied into the building provided by USIS. This system can take fans, can take lights, can take heaters. It's ready to go, totally modular and super safe. Full service with Street Seats. Again, the safest on the street and the most seats on the street.